Hello people, thank you for watching this video. So we're making date powder today. If you are a returning viewer, I love you so much. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. So here I have with me some hard dates. If you want to make more powder, less chunks, you want your dates to be super hard, so you want to give it a sun dry. I wanted more chunks, so I used it anyway. So I've washed it before and had it dry, but I'm just giving it another rinse. After rinsing it, you want to dry it very well, so you want to dry it with a kitchen towel. But if you have a blow dryer, girl, why not use it? You want it to be dried as much as possible. So if you have a blow dryer, just blow dry it. After a lot of drying, let's finally crack those nuts open and take out the seed. We are deseeding it. Okay, so after you've washed it, dried it, you want to take out the seeds. The seeds are very hard, as I told you earlier in the first video on how to make date paste. The seeds are very hard and they would not work well with your blender at all. So you want to remove all the seeds. So these are my date fruits without seeds. Now you go ahead and use your dry ingredients blender and blend. This blender has not been used for years, so it was actually a first battle. It wasn't easy. I had to battle with this blender because my dates were not too hard, so they were a little gummy. The blender too is that old and it hasn't been in use for so long, so it was really hard getting it to blend. But anyway, it came out like this, just as I expected, because I wanted more toppings, more chunks. I needed it to be gummy so that it can stick together. So it came out perfectly, just as I wanted it. Just that it was really hard. So let's just go ahead and separate them. I'm first passing it to a bigger hole separator. This will help me separate it better and form nicer rounded chunks for my toppings. If your date is that hard, you're going to form lots of powder, so just note it. So I passed it through this big hole about 3 times. And then I used a smaller or a finer metal separator or gauge or sieve, however you want to call it, so I can get out some powder, for the sweetening, for the cocoa and stuff. And then it also helps me form my rounded balls, because when you move it around, kind of stick together into nice small chips. One thing I like about making date powder is that the chunks that are formed are amazing cake toppings, amazing cake and pancake toppings. So on my right here, I have with me my cake and pancake toppings and my replacements, in the replacements in my cocoa. So I wouldn't be using granules. Okay, and then on my left, I have for me some date powder, which I could replace use it to replace my normal sugar in my tea and stuffs like that. I'm very glad you watched this video, and please kindly like the video and then subscribe for me. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll be with you soon.